Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial I'll show you how to delete your YouTube channel in case you need to delete it. Very simple and easy to follow steps. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing, I'm just going to open up a browser and then go to YouTube. Then you just have to sign in your channel. I'm already signed in, so I don't need to do it. So just click on your channel icon and then click settings. Advanced settings, and see over here delete channel. You're just gonna click in over here, delete channel. As you can see, deleting your YouTube channel won't close your Google account, so it's not gonna affect your Google account. So, and I'm not gonna delete my channel for just a tutorial purpose. So if you want to delete your channel, you're just gonna click on delete. Okay, and I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and let me know in the comment down below how did that help you to delete that channel. Until next time, stay fit and thanks for watching.